for today's video, I'm going to translate into English, Tagalog. Yeah, and how to pronounce it. So it's easy to you to understand, yeah, and learn. So if you can learn more, then you please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Okay, let's proceed. First thing first, I can teach you basic questions Tagalog. Yeah. Okay, first. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Then, in Tagalog is magandang magandang umaga. Okay. Do you understand, guys? Next.
No.
Next. Follow with me, guys. So, okay, next is good afternoon. Magandang hapon, like that. Okay. Next. Next, good evening, guys. Okay. Then, if you can say into Tagalog, magandang gabi po, like that, magandang gabi. Okay? Do you understand? Do you get this one? That's your problem. Next, guys. Yeah, you can ask questions about her or his. Yeah. What is your name? Like that. Okay, what is your name? In Tagalog, guys, anong pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? Get it, guys? Okay, let's proceed. Next. How are you? Yeah, how are you? It's a basic question, guys. Here in the Philippines, or yeah, you want to ask about how are you? Then in Tagalog, kumusta? Kumusta ka? Okay? Next. Yes, let's proceed to another questions. Where are you from? Yeah, because you always asking like that, where are you from? Then if you say into Tagalog, taga saan ka? Yes, taga saan ka? So, okay guys, that's all for today's video. If you can learn more, then please click the message or comment down below. And if you can learn more, then please do subscribe and like. Okay guys, salamat.